Hello guys, this is Vaish. So August 24, what happened in history, a very important thing to discuss today. And I hope you are seeing all the editorials, because last 1 week were excellent editorials, and the coverage or the detailing I have done, okay, it is like too much. It is beyond what you can imagine. The static dynamic part of everything, the prelims, mains, questions, discussion, many things are happening. Okay, questions will directly come. That is my guarantee. Questions will directly come in your prelims, mains for the next 3 to 4 years. That much futuristic contents have come. Okay, be it our space missions or the parliament elections or any new things. Many things are being discussed. So please take it seriously, and I want you all to be making notes if required, and revise it. Okay, because questions will come. Now today, August 24, if you see, this is the birthday of one revolutionary fighter, our Rajguru. Okay, you know Rajguru, Bhagat Singh and Sukhdev, they were hanged on March 23, so 1931. So it is the birthday of this personality, Rajguru. So again, in our history classes and all, we will do more about him. But today, just the importance, it is his birth anniversary. And same like that, it is the death anniversary of a person, Ramakrishna Gopal Bhandarkar. So he is a Maharashtrian. He is a scholar, Orientalist education or Orientalist studies is his, that is why he is known for. And it is his death anniversary. Okay, 24th August 1925, he died. So that is one more importance of August 24. Now going to the other details. Okay, today is International Strange Music Day. So Strange Music Day is like something like a day for you listen to music which you usually don't listen. So something like that, weird days international these people declare. So I just found it, it is like today. So I'm just showing you. Okay. Then the 79 AD, August 24, the Mount Vesuvius, which is a volcano in Italy, it erupted in a very major way, and the ancient cities of Pompeii and Herculaneum, okay, it suffered a lot of losses. So it's a very historic event, and the volcanoes, you know, it's part of your geography portions, and so sometimes match the following comes: Mount Vesuvius, Italy, like that something comes, you should be able to know. It's there in your NCERT as well. Okay, then 1600, the very important event, you know, Britishers came to India, East India Company came to India on 1600, August 24th. On this date it came, it reached Surat, Gujarat in a ship called Hector. Okay, so this is a very interesting and important GK in your modern history perspective. And in 1690, the Calcutta city was born, or Calcutta was made like a commercial hub by the Britishers. You know, Calcutta was the first capital of India, meaning after the Britishers came, and later they moved it, I think 1911 they moved it to New Delhi. Okay, so that is the significance of August 24. Then 1861, internationally, if you see, Mexico got independence from Spain after signing the Treaty of Cordoba. Okay, Cordoba Treaty was signed on August 24, 1861. Then 1908, I told you, Rajguru's birthday, and 1925 is death anniversary of Ramakrishna Gopal Bhandarkar. NATO entered into force. NATO, which we discussed this much, NATO is there now, NATO Plus is there. NATO's signing was done much before, but after that, when countries ratify it, okay, they will agree to implement it. That time it comes to force. So NATO came into force on August 24, 1949, and again 1969 and 74. If you see, August 24 is the date when our fourth president, V.V. Giri, he became the president, and then Fakhruddin Ali Ahmad, he became the fifth president, both on the exact date of August 24, 1969 and 1974, 5 years apart. Okay, then 1991, Ukraine achieved independence from Soviet Union. You know, Soviet Union, USSR used to be a big country, and then 1990, 1991 time, it broke into 15-16 countries. Okay, like yesterday, I think Armenia's Independence Day it was. Today it is Ukraine's Independence Day. Tomorrow it is, I think, some other Independence Day. Like that, many things will keep getting independence. Okay, then August 24, 2006, Pluto was reclassified. Meaning, you know, earlier we had this, we have this Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Neptune, Uranus, and Pluto. 9 planets we had. But then 2006, they identified that Pluto is not qualifying the criteria to become a planet, and it is just a dwarf planet or some celestial body. So that reclassification happened on today, August 24th, 2006 it happened. So it's a very important day. Okay, then August 24th, 2011, Steve Jobs resigned as the CEO of Apple, and then after that health issues was there, and then he died after 2 months. Okay, so 24th August 2011. So these are the very important things which happened this year, and very interesting things. So I am again telling you, please go and watch the editorials. It will change the way you're preparing for UPSC. Okay, it's a guaranteed success if you study every day. Study, okay, not just simply watch, make notes, revise it, study it again and again. You will pass the UPSC. Okay, please take the editorial seriously, and also join our test series, which will be added, boosted for you. because in the form of MCQs we give you all the topics. Okay, this month whatever happened in the form of MCQ, ready-made prelims MCQ, we give it to you with explanation. So you get that PDF package, you read that PDF package every single day, you are bound to pass. You should pass. Okay, so combo packs are also there. Just WhatsApp me for that. And all the students who are buying our prelims plus mains, the combined the big package, that is series, everybody will be given free goodies and it will be announced on Gandhi Jayanti. Please wait for that. Okay, and then batch 2 test series, still now we have kept it open for some of the students who missed it. Again, WhatsApp me, get the details. 4-month installment package is there, and then discounts are there. Many things are there. So it's completely flexible. You come and ask me, we will discuss there in WhatsApp. Okay, so thank you and have a nice day.